With this simple homemade trick, you will never again need the traditional glue. This homemade glue will allow you to join even the most difficult objects. Start by taking half a glass of water and pouring it into a container. Then, pour the water from the container into a saucepan and heat it until it starts to boil. Once the water is boiling, pour the hot water back into the container. Next, add a tablespoon of vinegar and a tablespoon and a half of cornstarch to the hot water. Mix the ingredients well until you get a homogeneous mixture. Let the mixture sit for a few minutes to cool slightly and thicken. This will allow the cornstarch to absorb the water and acquire a consistency similar to that of a traditional glue. If you notice that lumps have formed in the mixture, mix them with a spoon or a whisk until you get a smooth texture. Make sure that the mixture is completely homogeneous before using it as glue. Now that your homemade glue is ready, apply it to the surfaces you want to join. Place an adequate amount of glue on both surfaces and press them together. Let the pieces sit for a few minutes so that the glue adheres properly and dries. This homemade glue is not only easy to make, but it is also an economical and safe solution. By using common ingredients and not toxic, this glue is ideal for school projects, crafts, and home repairs. In addition, by making your own glue, it contributes to reducing the use of chemical products and plastic containers, which is beneficial for the environment. This recipe will allow you to reuse materials that you already have at home, promoting sustainability and savings. With this simple homemade trick, you can create an effective glue that will allow you to join difficult objects without the need to resort to commercial glue. This solution is not only economical and accessible, but it is also a safer and more ecological option. So the next time you need a strong and reliable glue, try making your own homemade glue. This homemade glue saves money by not having to buy commercial glue. With simple and inexpensive ingredients, you get an effective adhesive solution without additional costs. The preparation of this glue is simple and fast. With a few steps and basic materials, anyone can make this adhesive at home, which makes it accessible and convenient.